All right, Spanish 1, welcome back. We are now going to deal with comparatives. These can be found on page 174 of your textbook. And basically, these are words used to make comparisons. Some English ones are more, less, better, worse, older, younger, and as much as. And these are the ones we're going to learn for Spanish. Okay? Let's kind of do those now, and we can show you their English equivalent. Más is more. Less is, well, let's kind of keep it in the same order. Menos is less. Better is mejor, and worse, peor. Older is mayor, and younger, menor. Now that you know the words, it's just a simple thing of putting them together in the right order. All of these work with K. Your first digit in your code is a 6. So let's show you a few examples. I have more than you. Tengo is I have more, más, than, que, you, tú. Tengo más que tú. You could also do he is older than me. Él es mayor que yo. He is older than I. We'll do another one. That car, not care, that car is worse than mine. Ese coche es peor que mi coche. That car is worse than my car. So just to point something out, these are all used with a second object. I have I, you. He, me. That car, my car. Okay, second digit in your code is a 5. These can also, sorry, that should be a B, be used without, wow, that got weird, without a second object. You just leave out the K. So, for instance, I am older. Yo soy mayor. Or he is better. Él es mejor. Or let's do, we have a younger brother. And in this case, it's just younger is an adjective. Tenemos un hermano menor. Okay, so that's kind of covers the first 6 of them there. Now, one more thing I want to show you real quick. You can actually even, before we move on, sorry, you can even put another noun in between them. I have more homework than you. Tengo más tarea que tú. These can also be used for making physical comparisons, which is much of what we'll do. Bill is taller than Isabel. Bill es más alto que Isabel. So there's no ER form in Spanish. We say Bill is more tall than Isabel. Now, one thing I want you to notice, you have feminine here, masculine here. The adjective comes after the noun they modify, so it matches with Bill. If I turn that around, Isabel is, and we can do it just the opposite, shorter than Bill. Isabel es más baja que Bill. This time, Baja agreed with Isabel, the feminine form. Okay? All right. Now, we have, and the third digit in your code is a 9, one more set of comparatives. As much as. Now, I did this in a separate section because it does work a little bit differently. So you have 2 ways to say this. You have tanto como and tan como. The difference being, if you have a noun, in between, you have to make room. How do we do that? You have to make room, and this is something that just to help you remember, by cutting off a toe. So if you have an adjective, or if there's a noun in between, tanto becomes tan. So let's do a couple examples. If we've been talking about homework, and you said, "Hey, I've got X amount of homework," I might say, "I have as much as you." Tengo tanto como tú. Or we've been measuring height. Oops. Bill es tanto. Well, this doesn't work. Never mind. If we've been talking about ice cream, we have as much as you. Tenemos tanto como tú. Okay, because there's nothing in between here, it's tanto como. Now, if we add let's just say, something in between, tanto becomes tan. And this is more the case when you're doing comparisons. Bill is as tall as George. If I could spell today. Bill es tan alto como George. Okay, because alto went in the middle, tanto became shortened to tan. Now, same deal applies if we do Christina is as organized as Bill. Christina es tan organizada como Bill. Organizada is feminine to match Christina. If we put Bill first, Bill is as organized as Isabel. Bill es tan organizado como Isabel. O, because we match Bill, not Isabel. This concludes our notes. The last digit of your 4-digit code is a 4. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.